How's it going, everyone? Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, there's a question that I get quite a bit. How do these metrics perform on the E-mini futures after market? So the volatility is not going to be so much there, but can you get good signals into the market? You guys, this is just a look real quick at three amazing signals that we had here on the 1 minute time frame trading the ES. Now, you guys, take a look at this one right here. This is specifically, what is this, 1743. So what is this, 543? So 543, this was a first entry that we had. Now, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 of these here, this one, yes, probably would have just been stopped out, so you would have been careful. So out of the 4, you're currently looking at a 75% win rate. And with this, you guys remember on the 1 minute time frame, how much are we going for in the market? We're just going for 2 ticks in the market. If you stay in longer and you can get more, perfect. Perfectly fine. What I want to do here too for you guys is if we end up getting into a position here where I feel like I can show you guys a live example, I'm going to go over here to the DOM and execute a trade. But I want to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at with these metrics. So when you grab these, I want you to grab these and have success as fast as possible. I want this to be a very clear video to show you exactly how to use this. There's reasons why these buy and sell signals are fired off on your chart. And it all has to do with this dashboard below here. So I'm going to go into this in detail right now. What this is telling you is 3 things had to happen at this specific point. Money has to be flowing into the market. You see this white line? This is showing money that's either flowing in, price increasing, or money flowing out, price decreasing. All right. So if money's flowing into the market, you're overall trading a bull trend. You have your buy signals illuminated. You're also going to get something down here that's going to show you overall market momentum within a specific time. And that's this middle band. I'm going to revert back to this in a second because it's actually how you're going to use your stop loss. But these green dots, you see these bigger greens and bigger reds? These are key EMA crossovers coded into the system to say to look for a crossover up as bullish or down as bearish. All right, so when all 3 of these are in combination, this is where you're going to get the best entries into the market to pull out a couple ticks to sometimes a point here on the 1 minute time frame. You guys can tell right now, also selling pressure and buying pressure in the market. What happened last time when we were down here in this green buying zone? This is where the price increased right afterwards. What's happening right now? We are down into this green zone. This is telling me that overall in a bull trend, we could actually see a nice reversal here and look for a position to take out a couple ticks to almost a point in the market. What I'm waiting for is this middle band to switch over to green. That's going to tell me and give me the first indication of a green light that we could see this as a reversal and a continuation in the overall direction that it's heading. To go back for a second and show you a stop loss, I get this question quite a bit. You'll notice over my DOM when I place an order here that it's not going to have a stop loss that's very close. I literally set this over here. Let's go ahead and actually do this right now so we can, we're going to be going for, let's go and go for 4. Let's go for 4 and let's set this at 10. I'm not looking at it as a 10 as a loss. I'm looking at that just so I can manually move it if the middle band switches over to the opposite color. All right, so let's take this for example here. You had entered in on a buy signal, entered in, great entry into the market. You held this position because the middle band was green, taking out multiple points in the market. It then ended up turning red. Now this is just your first indication that this is where you see reversal since you got extended here. The first candle here, this could have been your exit. So entry, exit. All right. That is what I'm looking at in the market when I'm overall trading. And for traders that are looking to pull out more than just the 2 points, or excuse me, the 2 ticks on the 1 minute time frame, that's what you can look at to hold the trade longer. Or what I like to do is have runners in the market where you can actually capitalize on a bigger profit. All right, guys, take a look right now. Let's see if this ends up panning out. Middle band on the 1 minute time frame has actually gone to green. Money's now stepping up. Think of this like a pyramid, right? So if you're stepping up, money's flowing in. If you're stepping down, money's flowing out of the market. So money's now stepping back up. Middle band is green. I want to see if we can actually get a buy signal here because I love this look of this candle on the 1 minute time frame. Very bullish Hiekin Ashi candle. What is a bullish Hiekin Ashi candle? It's when you have a full body, no wick out the bottom and a wick out the top. That is the best indication, as you could tell multiple times, entry, even before a buy signal, entry, even before a buy signal, entry even before a buy signal. So if you know what to look for and these metrics are heading back up, you can sometimes spot entries into the market before you actually get a buy signal. And I want to kind of prove that to you guys right now. We have 3 seconds left, 2 seconds left, 1, 0. All right, that is closed on that 1 minute. I love this. I'm actually going right now. Let's go over here and go ahead and buy the market and see what happens. I love how that candle looks on our chart. I want to see if this can run up for 2 ticks to a point in the market. A point might be a little much just because we are trading after hours. So if we get anywhere near this 2 to 3, I might look at closing it out. But if all of our metrics are still in line on the bottom here, just keep going with that trend. Okay, let's see what happens here. Up 1 tick right now. We only need to go 3 more in the market, and this would be a good spot. Now, is there a buy signal? No, there's not a buy signal right now. Are we making a higher low overall? Yes. Are we trading a bullish trend? Yes. Is money flowing into the market? Yes. Is the overall trend bullish? Yes. So what you can look out for is candles like this in these trends. If you find and you're able to spot movements like this, this is where you could actually capitalize on a little bit quicker move before a buy signal. I really would not be surprised if in a moment here, this switches over on the bottom and we end up getting a buy signal here, confirming that the overall direction that we were wanting to go for is actually accurate. So buy signals, I would highly recommend if you guys are starting off with these metrics, everyone who has grabbed these, I would wait for a buy signal at candle close. I would then look at entry. If you're a little bit more of an advanced trader, you know what to look out for in the markets, and you've done one-on-one sessions with me, which I go over exactly what to look at in the market. If you guys haven't done a one-on-one session, you want to do a one-on-one, just email me below. It's in the description and I can set it up for you. I have actually another 4 one-on-one sessions, 2 tomorrow and 2 on Friday that I'm going to be doing. My schedule for next week is open right now, just 1 on Monday that I have scheduled so far. But I'll go over all of this with you guys and see every in and every out of the market so you can see exactly what I'm looking at, how I'm managing trades, and how you can do this yourself, because it's very, very possible to get on these markets before market open, obviously during market, but also after market, where just like this, I just got back home from running the pub that I own in town, and I'm like, let's just get on the charts and see what we can do here. And let's see if we can pull out a little bit of money in the market and show you guys a live example here using Tradingview and Tradovate. So right now, what you can see on this chart, we're getting a candle here that is a red doji candle, or close to it. I want to wait a little bit longer here. We have 24 seconds left. So let's just see what happens. Down here, though, all the metrics are still the same, right? Have we switched over to red? No, not yet. This is still green. So this is still telling me that we can still see a push higher in the market. Since this is a lower volume play, I'm going to adjust this, you guys. I'm going to adjust this to just 2 ticks in the market. And if we draw that out, that is going to be going for exactly what I like to teach here on the 1 minute time frame. There we go. Order filled. You can hear in the back, closed out. We end up just getting a buy signal, confirming that overall, what I was looking at on the bottom here actually played out. You guys, this is real time. You can go back and look at this right now. I can't do a replay on Hiekin Ashi candles. I'll show you guys everything right now. Caution, bar replay is not available. You're literally hearing me narrate live right now, being able to pull out those couple ticks in the market on the ES after hours with low volume to show you exactly how possible this is. If you guys haven't done so, head over to My Future Succuss. This is going to give you every metric in the market that you see on my screen. Just go over here and click I want this. This will literally take you less than 5 minutes to download on your charts and apply it right away to follow the education that I do here on YouTube. When you're over there, take a look at these 5-star ratings. These are all 5-star ratings in the past week to 2 weeks that live members are seeing success with, honestly, you guys. And if you're interested in one-on-one trainings, just email me, let me know. I'm always here to help you guys out in anything that you need. I want to be the most transparent person here on YouTube, showing you exactly what happens in the market. Now, you might have a question right here. I want to address this since we're on this. You see how this had a buy signal on here, okay? This, you will have a buy signal that may come on and may come off only during that time frame of that 1 minute, okay? So if it goes off at candle close, it just means all the metrics were not in combination. These do not repaint. Once this candle closes and a buy signal's on, the next candle, it will not go off your chart. It may flicker in between that 1 minute section, because it's dialed in specifically to see if all the metrics are in line. What happened afterwards? We ended up getting a red dot here. This didn't stay green as a red dot, which is why the buy signal came off. So to answer some other questions, can I get in early? Yes, you can get in early. I just showed you you can do that. Second, do you wait typically for a buy signal to be on the chart at candle close or if it's flickering? My opinion, advice, wait for a buy signal to come on your charts. Wait till candle close. This will stay on your chart. At that point, on the next candle, go ahead and enter into the market, and that's going to give you the best probability. For stop losses, if you had gone into this trade like we just did, this middle band at candle close, you see it went to red. Entry, exit. You guys can see that, right? So you're minimizing your loss in your drawdown as much as possible, okay? So when you're in a trade, go for 2 ticks on the 1 minute time frame, go for 4 ticks or 1 point on the 2 minute time frame, and keep risk management very, very good. I'm so glad this happened on the chart here so I can give you education on a candle that may flicker during that time frame, because it does happen. It's saying that not everything is in line, but during that time frame, something just was off. And I'm so glad it was off and it didn't give that to you, because what happened on the next candle? It dropped off. So beginner traders, what I want you to do, recap this video, trade in an overall bull trend, only have corresponding signals illuminated. If you have candle setups, big bullish candle setups, and you have all your metrics in line, yes, you can take a trade, but I would highly recommend, if you're just starting off, wait for a buy signal to be on your chart, wait till candle close, then enter in and go for 2 ticks on the 1 minute, 4 ticks on the 2 minute, and you're going to see amazing, amazing success. All right, guys, have a great rest of your evening. God bless.